Hello, my name is Ben Root. Through Lean, I've learned how teams can help businesses and organizations improve productivity and reduce costs. I've seen Lean work in huge manufacturing plants, in intensive care units in the hospital, and in family-owned and operated hospitality businesses in the hospitality industry. After 30 years, I'm still learning about Lean. And I'd like to take this time to share some of what I've learned with you. I'll begin by guiding you on a short tour of Lean from a view of my NUMMI experience. I was assigned to the Training and Development Department, and I learned that I would be teaching the Toyota production system, something until then I'd not even heard of. As I walked into the NUMMI plant as a young teacher, I had no idea what my career path would be like. And then I learned that there would be nearly 7,000 people who needed to be educated about the meaning of the Toyota production system and how to apply it. I also learned that most of my students would be former employees of the old General Motors plant, the same plant that was now to be called NUMMI. The old plant, the GM plant, had a reputation for being called the battleship. That's because there were daily battles at the plant. Battles between employees and between employees and management. The GM plant also had been named the worst of the worst automobile plants in the world. Productivity at the plant was low and costs were high. After years of poor performance and high costs, the plant was finally closed and 11,000 workers were put out of work. And now at NUMMI, we were given the task of retraining these employees to work in teams, learn the Toyota production system, and to solve problems. Lean wasn't yet a buzzword. It wasn't found in classrooms, books, or training videos. We saw its potential, not just to save money, but to transform culture. Each employee became part of a small, empowered team. More than 1,400 team leaders and 200 group leaders were trained from within, creating a ripple of that leadership that reached every corner of our operations. We were rebuilding with heart. The workforce had come from the shuttered GM plant. People had seen a workplace at its worst. Yet those same people became the heart of what would soon become one of the most celebrated turnarounds in manufacturing history. I want to pause the newsletter here and make you aware of a special offer we have right now. For the first 3 teams that are willing to learn Lean while providing feedback to us on the Lean Roadmap program. The training will be free for the entire team. So a team of 5 will save about $2,000 the first month. To get a good picture of how the roadmap can help others, we're looking for teams that are just now beginning with Lean, and also from experienced teams that have been using Lean for a while. We're looking for teams from a whole variety of industries and businesses. So complete the interest form at the end of the video, and we'll reach out to you, learn more about your interest, and talk more about the Lean roadmap. In our training and development department, we're focused on more than just tools. We nurtured trust, curiosity, and the belief that everyone has the power to improve. This wasn't just Lean, it was with leadership, with a purpose. The results, astounding. Productivity soared, quality skyrocketed, and the pride of every employee lit up the factory floor. From worst to the worst to the best of the best, NUMMI became living proof that when you invest in people, anything is possible. Our training and development department played a key role in nurturing that spark. We didn't just teach tools, we nurtured belief. We helped every person at every level see that they mattered and that they had the power to improve quality, increase productivity, and transform a struggling plant into one of the finest in the world. And that's exactly what happened. What made NUMMI great again wasn't just lean principles. It was a spirit of teamwork, the courage to start over, and the simple idea that everyone has a role in building excellence. At the Lean Learning Academy, we use these same principles as we use during our Lean Roadmap. We help teams and team leaders understand lean principles and how to convert these principles into action. Your results, a lean system that will help you improve your career while improving your business or service. There are links in the description box at the end of the video where you can sign up for a free one-on-one phone call with us just to talk about lean or to talk about the lean roadmap. I would like to talk to the lean manufacturing students for a second. And to remember this, efficiency isn't just about removing waste. It's about maximizing your potential. Every process you refine, every bottleneck you eliminate brings you closer to building not just better products, but a better version of yourself. You're learning to see what others overlook, to value simplicity over complexity, and to lead through continuous improvement. Whether you're mapping a value stream or mastering the 5S principles, you're laying the foundation for excellence for everything you do. So stay curious, stay committed, and never stop asking how things can be done better, because that's how improvements begin. Don't forget to complete the interest form at the end of this video to learn more about how you and your team can earn 2 free months of the roadmap. Thank you for viewing, and we will see you in our next newsletter. Goodbye for now, and keep improving. Here are the links for you to contact us and learn more. And they're also listed, as I said, on the description box at the end of the video or at the bottom of your post. You might be a great fit for the Lean Roadmap. Before you join, we want to make sure that this is something you want and that we are a fit together before you get all involved in the program. So to learn more, there's a description about the roadmap, which explains all about the program. And then for us to learn more about you, there's a short interest form. And if you just fill out that form, it doesn't take very long, return it to us, and we'll set up a time to contact you and your team. If you'd like to chat more about Lean or about the roadmap, set up a free call, and there'll be a link for that at the end also. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you the next time. Goodbye.